Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how we can change a clan tag in your Call of Duty. So right now you can see that I got like a YOLO here, like you only live once, which is true, or maybe not, who knows. And what you want to do is just click here to barracks, and now click here on identity, and you're gonna see it right here, custom clan tag. And you just want to change it to like to whatever cringe, like whatever you want, just right there, like I don't know. I don't know what's even right here, right? So whatever, and just write it there. You can have like 4 letters, but this is pretty much how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.